is that we all get it. Don't give in to the pain, just keep living, cause
got dreams I'm striving for. So I'm gonna live higher. I'm gonna live higher. I got dreams I'm striving.
What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario, and in today's video I wanted to talk about something and how you guys should be able to close a deal in the next 30 to 60 days, all by just watching my channel. Right? I have over 150 videos. I get a lot of emails, DMs, asking me questions that there's answers to already on my channel, and I'm gonna kind of give you best practices. If you have a question, I'm almost certain I probably answered it already. So we're at my YouTube channel here, and I'm going to show you exactly, best practices and what you should do, or like look at certain playlists if you have a question, things like that. But before I get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way I get notified whenever I post a new video. Again, I have all the resources, questions to most of your answers in my channel if you just take the time to just do a little quick search and watch the videos. I know there's a ton of videos, but if you're looking for something specific, I'm going to show you what you should do. Also, you guys haven't caught on, so I have a free mind map. In this mind map, I mean, this thing is it's essentially a course, a real estate course. I have the scripts, I have the best practices, I have how to find buyers, how to find sellers, best resources and tools, and it's free. All you gotta do is go to, I'm gonna show you guys where you can get that. But so let's look first. What I would do is, first thing I would do is, let me move this out of here real quick. So if you have a question on, let's say, right, so what you would do is, so these are the most popular videos right here, popular videos. How to put an absentee list. I'll walk you through how to do that. How to find brand and properties. Best skip tracing. I have updated versions of these as well. How to find the zip codes. I have updated versions of these as well. I have a ton of interviews with the top real estate investors in the country. How to make $230,000 a month. Take the time to listen to these videos. If you're really serious, you would watch this instead of Netflix. I have ringless voicemail scripts. I have the script. I have the tools. Or now, keep in mind, when I made these videos, at the time of these videos, I might have used a tool at the time, but that I might not currently use. Right. So just keep that in mind. I know I got a comments for a couple things that I posted like 3 years ago. I don't use all the current tools. It's always going to be evolving. It's always going to be changing. So just keep that in mind, right? And I try to be as up to date as I can on what's working for me or what I'm using currently. But just keep in mind, depending on when you watch that video, I may never be using that tactic. I may never be using that resource or that tool. So just keep that in mind. So how to skip trace, how to find comps. This is just a playlist of like where I interview the top investors in the country. These are all 7-figure earners. Most of these people that I've interviewed, they all make 7 figures. 7 figures, 2 million. This guy, Brandon, he's a beast. He's made multiple 6 figures, 230K a month. You guys know the all-in entrepreneurs, Carlos Reyes. Great interview. David, he's a big-time player in Philadelphia market. And these videos right here, step by step. Let's see here. I break down bandit signs, cash buyers. I know I have a playlist of cash buyers. Let me see if they. I kind of broke down. Let me see here. I think I made a list of how to find buyers. I kind of bundled up all the videos of how to find cash buyers. I have a ton of videos on how to find cash buyers, how to find seller lead, how to generate seller leads, driving for dollars. I have case studies, what's an assignment of contract, best versions, how I made $17,000 on one deal, how to find cash buyers using Facebook, resources I use, how to hire virtual assistants, how to get over the fear of cold calling, how I can make a dozen cold calls. I mean, I literally have everything. I have all the scripts, voicemail scripts, like wingless voicemail drops, cold calling scripts, outbound scripts, contracts, how to calculate maximum allowable offer, you know, how to close a deal step by step, how to wholesale houses Q&A, direct mail, you know, like I said, resources, tools that I use or have used in the past. Just keep that in mind. Again, like I'm not gonna at the time of the video, I might be using a resource or a tool, and by the time you watch it, I may not be using it again. Just so it's not a big deal. You should try it out for yourself. You know, sometimes I use things that may not work for some people, or they might not like it and I like it, or vice versa. So just always keep that in mind. How to find cash buyers using Deal Machine. I mean, these are great videos. If you really take the time out to kind of watch these videos, you're going to learn a lot, and I guarantee you most of your questions you have are going to be answered in those videos. This is another important video. This is what the mind map is. I kind of went into detail what exactly it has. All you have to do is actually just, if you go to the description, you click on this link. You click on this link right here. It takes you to this page. And you can download. It's free. Like, you don't have to pay for anything. You just put your email and then you get access to the mind map. Mind map has a ton of information as well. Let me just show you quickly what it has. Give me 1 second. Back to the introduction here, just so you guys can see what I mean, it has everything. Quality where they charge you $500. You know, it's essentially a free course. I know people who charge a couple $100 for this type of info. You know, list, bandit signs, driving for dollars, RVM. If you're marketing on a budget, what to do. You know, action checkpoint items. I mean, it has everything you need. And then also, what I did was, some of those in the mind map, some of those sellers, scripts. What else? How to qualify a lead. So I stopped. Yeah. So the mind map, what I did was I kind of made it easy for you. So I kind of bunches up some of my videos. I give you the links to them. If you have a specific question, it's going to take you to a link or a playlist. But I have where you can get the list, where you can find the buyers, how to calculate ARV, what's in the assignment of contract, scripts, outbound, RVM, you know, what I use for RVM, all that, anything you can think of, pretty much I have answered on my channel. You just have to take the time to search, okay? And take the time to watch the interviews, because those interviews do provide a lot of value. Keep in mind, those people have made 7 figures in the business, so those are great interviews to watch. You can get that for free. All you got to do is go to any of my videos and just go to the description and get the mind map. But if you have a question that you can't find anywhere, just look at my videos, look at the titles. The titles of my video pretty much tell you what the video is about. Direct mail tips, list stacking, you know, a whole bunch of how to hire virtual assistants, some case studies, you know, anything you can think of. I'm almost certain I pretty much answered in my channel, you know, but the information is constantly evolving regarding resources, tools, and things like that. So just take the time out to watch my videos so you can get all your answers, all your questions to your answers answered. Because I know I get a lot of emails, I get a lot of DMs on what I should be doing, and you know, those questions are pretty much on my channel. If you just take a few minutes to search for them, the answer's right there. I appreciate the love and all that, but just take a couple minutes to search for a question you might have, and I'm almost certain if I probably answered it. And if I haven't answered it, you know, comment on one of my videos. I tried to answer all my comments as best I can, and just say, hey, I have a question about this, or can you make a video about this, or can you make a video and be more detailed, explain it a little bit better, and whatever that question is. I'll try my best to answer that question. That's my time. My name's Realestate. Peace.